Hey guys, welcome to a Pop Out of the Box one. And we're going to be unboxing a Funko Pop for you guys right now. This Funko Pop is special because it's from an old movie that I love, from Jim Henson himself, the master of puppets. It's a really great movie that I saw when I was a young kid, and it got better and better with time. They even made a new television series about it, but the movie is really the best, I think. And this Funko Pop is about one of the persona in that movie that you could consider a bad guy, no? But in reality, uh, aren't we all a little bit bad guy and good guy? I think we are. So I don't want to spoil the movies, but if you watch the movie, you understand what I mean. The one that I'm gonna be unboxing right now is Chamberlain Skeksis. Here he is, the Chamberlain Skeksis. I don't know if I'm saying it right, but here he is. Look at that. Wow. Pretty cool. He looks like a big bird with no feather. He talks like this. He's pretty evil. But anyway, I'm gonna be unboxing him with guys. Oh, I'm gonna show you the back before with all the guys. It's a really good movie. You should go watch it. I'm gonna unboxing him for you guys right now. And here he is. Look at him. Wow, he looks so cool, so great. Oh, I like him. So you're gonna see him more in details at the end of the video, like always. I hope you enjoyed this, and why don't you subscribe? And I hope to see you soon, very soon, in another video maybe. And take care of you guys, right? Okay? And have fun. Bye.